Jake.
Hey.
I'm Sarah!
Hello.
Welcome to another Level Up adventure. This time we're going to the Carpinteria Valley Museum of History.
Yeah, for an arts and craft fair.
What do we know about Carpinteria, folks?
I love arts and crafts.
Go, Mandy, go.
I did research.
This surprises no one.
Carpinteria was named by the Spanish missionaries when they found the shoe wash on the beach making canoes. Carpinteria stands for carpenter.
Ooh, okay. Well, specifically, we're going to a fair where we can buy crafts, and we're looking for items that will be helpful in our Level Up adventures. So
Canoes.
that's a quest. Ow! Ow! Canoes.
Right, canoe.
Try on the flip side.
Merry Christmas.
Grandma, why are you holding the peppers like that?
She's a little phone.
She's a spicy lady. What's telling you about that?
Okay, so we went to the Carpinteria Valley Museum of Plenty.
We did? Is that what it was called?
Yes, it was it was the Natural History Museum, and it was also a craft fair that they have once a year, and a lot of the local people come and sell their wares.
A lot of talented artisans we ran into, and some not so talented.
There were some. No offense.
No offense.
Some of them were not great.
Some artisans. Not everyone is talented.
That's the truth. Okay, so let's get to the scores. Fun,
I give it a 10. That was fun.
6.
I give it a 7.
I gave it a 7 too. Excellent.
This is the most fun.
You're honestly not going to Mount Pisgah.
What was the most
Because
fun?
it involves shopping. I think Jake likes to shop.
You guys came.
Oh.
Good food.
Okay, look and appearance.
9.
I gave it a 7.
I gave it an 8.
Yeah, it was cute.
I thought the museum was very nice. If you're looking at, they covered all sorts of history.
If you're above the age of like 45,
They covered
it looks great.
pioneer history, Mexican ranchero history, and the Chumash Indian history, all in one tiny little museum.
With a little bit of humor.
And creepy dolls.
There were
A lot of dolls.
Yes, there was a rat trap that scared Jacob.
What's telling you about that?
Ease of travel.
That's 6.
7.
7.
6. You put a 7. Sarah does not enjoy traveling.
Yeah, 6.
I think she's trying to level up faster than the rest of us.
10. I love getting car sick.
Activities.
It was 7.
7.
7. Nice,
7.
Nice
Wow.
variety.
High five. Basically, it was shopping and reading museum signs. But some of the museum signs were quite I thought that was good. I thought the museum was set up really nice.
And we chatted with strangers, which is outside our comfort zone.
Yeah, I talked to a woman who did art. I felt good about that. Okay, life.
I was really impressed when I saw you talking to a stranger.
It's all about the growth.
Yes.
So the last
Life enriching.
life enriching.
9.
8.
I gave it a 7.
8. Thanks. Wasn't life enriching?
It really wasn't actually. I take my score back.
I gave it an 8. I thought the company, the environment,
company.
learning about the community. It was.
Funny.
You can score it how you want, but
I had a great sandwich with pesto mayonnaise. That changed.
That wasn't part of the level up.
oh yeah, we bought succulents.
And the succulent mom got in it during Thanksgiving.
It's just cute as a succulent.
We got. It's a okay.
Okay, so in general, if you're going to Carpinteria, which it turns out I've never been actually in the physical city of Carpinteria. So there's a lot of cutesy little stores and cafes and restaurants, and right across from this museum there was a embroidery store, and there was all these little old ladies sitting around doing a quilt together and just chit-chatting.
That's gonna be you.
It will be me, except not with people.
Yes, I was still gonna say.
Anyways, all right. Talk to you later. Bye.